Most people get this wrong, but embedding a link on Reddit is not about pasting URLs everywhere. It's about making your posts look clean, professional, and clickable. On PC, start by opening Reddit in your browser and logging into your account. Go to the subreddit where you want to post or comment. Click Create Post or Reply to a comment. In the text editor, you'll see a formatting bar. Look for the chain link icon. This is the Embed tool. Most people miss this and just paste raw links. Click the link icon. A small box appears. In the first field, type the text you want people to see, like read full guide or visit website. In the second field, paste the actual URL. Then click Insert. Now your link is embedded. Instead of showing a long, messy URL, users see clean, clickable text. This works in posts and comments as long as the subreddit allows links. You won't believe how many posts get ignored just because they look spammy. Clean formatting increases trust and click rates. Another method is using Markdown. You can manually type it like this. Write your text in brackets, then the link in parentheses. But using the built-in tool is easier and safer. Important tip: always check subreddit rules. Some communities block certain links or require specific formatting. Most people get this wrong and think their post was removed for no reason. In conclusion, embedding links on Reddit is simple. Use the link icon, write natural anchor text, and respect community rules. Clean links lead to better engagement and fewer removals. Subscribe for more Reddit and social media tips so you can post smarter, not harder. Title start drift chatbot review usage experience title BND script start you won't believe how many businesses install chatbots expecting instant sales only to get frustrated when nothing happens. Drift is one of the most popular AI-powered chat tools, but the surprising truth about Drift is that it works best only if you understand how to use it properly. Drift is a conversational marketing platform designed to replace traditional contact forms with real-time chat. Instead of waiting hours or days for email replies, visitors can talk to your business instantly. The main idea is simple. Faster conversations lead to more conversions. Setting up Drift starts with installing a small script on your website. Once it's live, a chat widget appears in the corner of your site. You can customize the greeting message, chatbot behavior, and conversation flows. For example, you can ask visitors if they want sales support, product info, or technical help. The strongest feature of Drift is automation. You can build playbooks that qualify leads automatically. For example, if someone asks about pricing, Drift can ask their company size and email, then route them to your sales team. This saves time and filters out low-quality leads. The interface is clean and modern. Conversations are stored in one inbox, and you can integrate Drift with CRM tools, so all leads are tracked. Notifications are instant, which helps teams respond faster. However, most people get this wrong by thinking Drift is plug and play. If you don't configure it properly, it becomes just another annoying pop-up. Also, the free version is very limited. Most useful features require a paid plan, which can be expensive for small businesses. Another downside is that Drift works best for B2B companies. If you run a simple blog or small online shop, the cost may not justify the results. Drift shines when your product is high value and needs conversation before purchase. In conclusion, Drift is powerful, professional, and well-designed, but only worth it if you have enough traffic and a sales process in place. It's not magic, but when used correctly, it can seriously improve customer engagement. Subscribe for more honest software reviews so you can choose tools that actually fit your business.